Hello dear fans. How to find the length of the diagonals of a parallelepiped. A parallelepiped is a prism whose base is a parallelogram. The parallelograms that make up the parallelepiped are called its faces, their sides are edges, and the vertices of the parallelograms are the vertices of the parallelepiped. Instructions. Step 1. A box can have 4 intersecting diagonals. If you know the data of 3 edges A, B, and C, it will not be difficult to find the lengths of the diagonals of a rectangular parallelepiped by performing additional constructions. Step 2. First draw a rectangular box. Sign all the data you know, there should be 3 edges A, B, and C, draw the first diagonal M. To construct it, use the property of rectangular parallelepipeds, according to which all the corners of such figures are straight lines. Step 3. Construct a diagonal n of one of the faces of the parallelepiped. Construct in such a way that the known edge, A, the unknown diagonal of the parallelepiped and the diagonal of the adjacent face, N, form a right-angled triangle A, N, M. Step 4. Look at the plotted diagonal of the face, N. It is the hypotenuse of another right-angled triangle B, C, N. Following the Pythagorean theorem, which says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs, N superscript 2 equals C superscript 2 plus B superscript 2, find the square of the hypotenuse, then extract the square root of the resulting value, this will be the length of the diagonal of the face N. Step 5. Find the diagonal of the box M itself. In order to find its value, in a right-angled triangle A, N, M, calculate the hypotenuse using the same formula, M superscript 2 equals N superscript 2 plus A superscript 2. Calculate the square root. The found result will be the first diagonal of your box. Diagonal M. Step 6. In the same way, draw sequentially all the other diagonals of the parallelepiped, for each of which carry out additional construction of the diagonals of the adjacent faces. Using the Pythagorean theorem, find the values of the remaining diagonals of this parallelepiped. Step 7. There is another way that you can find the length of the diagonal. According to one of the properties of a parallelogram, the square of the diagonal is equal to the sum of the squares of its 3 sides. From this it follows that the length can be found by adding the squares of the sides of the parallelepiped and extract a square from the resulting value. Thanks for watching.